Where are we at, you two?
Tyler is my tutor, so he's gonna teach me everything you need to know as a beginner. He's intermediate, but I am zero. So let's see how good this will be.
Let's do it. We are here in Breckenridge, Colorado, and the first thing we're gonna do is limber up. Make sure you stretch your upper body and your lower body because you're gonna fall, right? If you're a beginner, you're gonna fall. So the more limber you are, less likely you are to injure anything. So stretch it out.
Stretch it out.
Now that we have got all our stretching out of the way, we're all limbered up, we're gonna start with these good old bow ties, because all you do when you're skiing, right, once you become a little better, you're just gonna keep turning in this kind of bow tie motion, right? You're gonna wanna make sure your feet can flare out and then flare back in so that you can pizza is what they call it. You wanna make sure you can pizza really good. So you wanna make sure that you can get your, you can pretend you have skis, right? And you wanna make sure that your skis are in the shape of a triangle or a pizza. So we're just practicing movement right now. You can't hear?
Wait, how am I doing wait, let me move here. So am I doing like this? Or am I using my top?
Both.
Am I doing this?
You want to try to do a bow tie. So you want to try, you can zoom in. You want to try to do a bow tie. Okay, do a little bit of that. And then kick this out too.
I've never done that.
Okay? So try to move it like fluidly. Almost like a snow angel, right? You do want to do a little snow angel with your foot. Snow angel with your foot.
Ow.
But you want to try to, so you want to kick them out, but then you want to take this and kick it out again. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Basically, you want to have like little bow ties.
Mine is not.
No, I don't know. Try it again, okay? We get the little bow ties. So you kind of kick them outside. Try, okay. And kick them outside, and then leave your toes out there, and then bring your heels out, okay? And then you can feel your toes kind of rotate in, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then do the exact opposite. Bring your heels back in, and then kick your toes in.
Ow.
Kick your toes out, and kick your heels out. Yeah. So you do these little bow ties, right? Eventually, once you get done, it's a little harder here because this snow is, it's amazing. It's real snow.
Okay.
So we're sinking in. But yeah, see this? You want to have pretty much good bow ties. Okay.
Okay, nice.
We got that. Because you're going to be turning, and this is the whole rotation you're going to have while skiing. Pretty much the key to skiing. All right, next. Let's get our skis.
Oh, we got our skis?
All right. So, what we like doing is popping our skis. Make sure you can get in them. Make sure you get a good feeling. Put your toe in first, and then just press down. Press down, okay? And you want to be on, your turn, Betty. Get in there, press down. Okay, oh, nope. There you go. Get in there, press down, there you go. Okay, now how's that feel? Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Get a good feel for it. Now try the other leg. So you also want to be perpendicular to the mountain, right? If the mountain's coming this way, you don't want to be face down there. You want to be perpendicular.
Okay.
Yep.
Hold my hand.
Okay, come on.
Woo! It's not.
Come on, get in there. Maybe I should have helped you get in first. Okay, hold on. Yep, grab your skis. There you go. Okay, get in there. Yep, I got you.
Okay.
Stomp. Stomp harder. You're not in yet. And this is another trick. You got to make sure you hear the click, or else you're going to fly right out.
Ah, okay.
So get in them.
Woo! Okay.
We don't need our poles yet. We're going to hold each other here. Oops. Okay. Eventually. Bloopers. Gotta hear it click. You're not going straight down. There we go. Look at that. Wow, that. Okay. So, like I said, you want to be perpendicular to the mountain, right? You don't want to move. You good? Okay. Next. So we're just gonna get an impression how it feels in the skis, okay? And to do this, we're just gonna jump up and down. Just a little bit.
Woo!
Yeah. So you gotta get that feeling of just when your skis come out from under you. You want to be very comfortable.
Whew.
Let me move this camera here. So I can actually. Whew.
I am tired already. It's gonna be a long day.
So you just want to, you want to bend over, get a good position, and just try to bunny hop. Because then you'll feel how your skis can move underneath you. Alright? There we go. Alright. Now once you get a few of those, you kind of feel it safe. And you're not falling, right? Then you try walking up the mountain. You angle your skis. You can go zoom in here. So you angle your skis, right, like this, and you just literally walk up the mountain, right? This is another technique to get comfortable. Or just in case you lose a ski, you gotta walk up the mountain and get it. There you go. So try what I was saying. Try to angle your ski, that way it digs in. Angle your ski, and then it creates more of a ledge. Yeah. Because skis are slick, right? Your skis are slippery. Whenever they're in contact with the snow, you're gonna be sliding. So, how are you? You good?
I like it.
All right. Now that we got that. Now we're gonna try our bow ties again, but in the skis. So move apart and try your bow ties. In. Try the pizza first. Go in.
Woo! Yeah, the pizza is not working.
Easier said than done. Pizza. Pizza. Yeah, it's kind of working. You kind of got it. This is where the leg exercises come in. You might have to pick up a little bit, but you want to get comfortable with this movement. All right. Okay. A little bit more. Here, I'll hold you. All right, ready? Give me a hand. And we'll see we're doing all this without skis because we're working on our balance as well.
Okay.
Really trying to get a balance. So pizza. Pizza. There you go. And then try to slide a little bit to do like invert pizza. You slide out now.
Woo! I cannot.
So the more you can slide on your skis, the better you're going to be at turning too. So the more you can like control your pizza. So like what Betty's doing is when she gets on the mountain, right? And this is common for beginners. When you get on the mountain, you're trying to, come on! Not even work. So here. Okay, ready? Just try to move inwards. Just tilt, just like we're doing the bow ties. Tilt your, put your toes in. Toes in. Toes in. More force. Toes in. Keep your skis straight, but toes in. Toes in and then kick your heels out. There we go. There we go. See, that felt good, right?
Okay.
One more time. Stay straight. And then pizza. There we go. See?
Oh my gosh.
See, look at that.
Woo!
Look at that. You're pretty much all the way there.
Okay.
All right, there's also another good trick, right? When you're going, you want to be, you're going to try to do this facing the hill, but just to give you a demonstration. You want to be bent the same angle here, the same angle of your legs is what you want to form with your legs and your torso. So just about right here is a good angle, right? You want to maintain the same exact zigzag, basically. Okay? And you can try that. You can feel her around. So, yeah. So then you bend. Try to bend your knees, and then there we go. There we go.
I don't want to go straight. My good.
Right here. Let's try to get your form. Hold on. All right. Bend your knees, and there we go. There we go. Just try to look at the angles. Yep. That's pretty good form right there. You don't want to be too far. You don't want to be too far back. So,
Okay.
right about there. Should we get our poles? right, last tip before we actually get skiing on the mountain. We're just gonna do a little pole work, right? We're gonna probably gotta come up here, baby. Go parallel to the slope. You wanna get down at your right angles, right? And then just get a good feeling of how it feels to go straight. Okay? Yeah.
Woo!
You can turn around.
I can barely move.
Turn around and go back.
I can barely move forward.
Come on, then you try out your pizza a little bit.
Oh, I'm using different poles. Can you give me mine?
Try out your pizza. Oh, we got 2 different poles here.
Give me the
Whoops.
black one, the green one.
There we go. We're too excited today. Yeah, so we just go a little bit. Just gotta practice your pizza.
Okay. I cannot go up the mountain.
Turn around, come down.
Oh my God.
Pizza, 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 pizza. Okay. That also happens. All right, turn. Turn. Workout, huh?
My goodness.
You want to make sure those poles are really in the ground, then just turn a little bit at a time. Just a little bit.
Just turn, 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 turn a little bit more. Turn, turn. You don't have to record this. Turn.
Oh, this is for memories.
You never caught. This is the real life.
This is for memories at this point.
I should go
Okay,
to the beach.
do a little pole work. There you go. Just try a little pole work. Try your pizza. Your pizza. Ready? All right, we'll let Betty demonstrate now.
It's all right.
Go a little bit. Right, right. And then a little bit further, and then one pizza. There you go.
Yay!
All right, let's hit the slopes. We'll throw in some videos of how to ski when we're skiing. Here we go, down the learning center. There we go. Woo! Getting the circles, or the turns. Woo!
Am I doing this right?
You're doing good, baby. You're doing great. Look at you. Your pizza is perfect. Look at a perfect pizza.
This is just a landing place because if I'm able to turn, this is a miracle.
Ah, you're doing good. You're doing good. Look at you go. Look at this. High five. Hey. I'll definitely get a video of this. This is going to be funny.
Get it on this? Yeah.
Okay, come on out.
Yep.
Your feet right over the yellow. Skis pointing straight uphill. Don't worry about them.
This is the epic wreck. It was the slowest accident, slowest wipeout I've seen. Betty hit Logan, and Logan almost tumbled, but then threw her to the ground.
Well, I didn't throw her. I just kept going down because I couldn't stop. Because I couldn't turn my skis, so I kind of railroaded Betty. Sorry, Betty. You all right?
She's fine. She's a professional by now at falling. As soon as we were at the last video we took, all the way up at the farthest lift we've been, right? Farthest height. Guess how long it just took us to get all the way down? All the way down to the gondola for the buses.
Well, it's 3:50.
No, guess. Guess.
Oh,
Gosh. You're supposed
An
to
hour?
guess.
an hour and a half.
Your turn.
An hour?
No, you guys are way off.
Oh, yeah, you're
40 minutes.
40 minutes!
So we probably could have went to the copper real quick. We just didn't know they were that good. It took us forever to get
Because we
over.
thought it would be 2 hours.
40 minutes to do the longest run here. One of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was cool. That was awesome.
Awesome. Great job,
Cheers.
people.
Bring it in.
Bring it in.
We did it. We didn't. Nobody got like
No one, yeah. You were
We are hot.
but not bad. Like, I mean, for pretty much first time skiers, and then like I don't know, 5th time skier maybe?
I only felt because I was being
Not
stupid.
bad at all. Not bad. I mean, we're not hurt.
It's a good time.
It
Good
was
time.
fun.
Be careful in the trees. There's ice. That's my fault. I wanted to increase the level of craziness, and I did.
I think the greens, nice and easy. I need to do them some more though. But those blues, that's a little step above.
Yeah, ooh.
Those are little, some of those are
Almost broke my arm over there.
a little interesting.
You almost broke your leg several times.
Oh, hey, look.
I'm not okay. My knee is,
Let me get you. Here.
my knee, like
Tell
this
us,
one.
Betty.
This one is kind of not okay because I fell and then my whatever went like this.
Yeah. Dude, did you
And
see
I
it?
couldn't move.
I didn't take a video of it because it was gnarly. I didn't know if she was okay.
No, you had to, you had
But
to
her,
help.
she was down with her leg pointed the exact opposite way, like laying in the
and
snow.
the skis all the way
And I'm
down.
like, oh
Is
my
that when I
gosh.
was trying to help you or what?
No, that was when you were at the bottom. You're like, come on, guys, come on. Remember in the middle? She went off into the snow
Yeah, it was like big snow.
Oh.
right before the tree. She's like sitting there waiting for me. So give your favorite time today and a piece of advice for beginners.
I think my favorite was, I think it's this last one. I like this last one because it started like with, of course I fell multiple times, but it starts with a very hard, because I really didn't know how we would get all the way down because we were all the way at the top, but at least it's kind of blue. It's from what we've seen, it's intermediate, like it's easy, hard, like it's kind of not hard the entire time, like until here. Like we had to relax, rest zone, so that was good. My favorite advice is please learn how to turn and how to stop. That's all you need to do. That's all I did, and I survived. I'm still alive. Peace out.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah, I'd say one of my favorite ones was just like most any of the green ones were really cool, I'd say. And I wish I could go down them a little bit quicker. If I was out here again next time, go down them a little bit quicker, but they were really fun. The blues scared me. Those were a little much. Some of them were all right, but my piece of advice is turning is super important and stopping, and then just don't get scared and just go straight down the mountain, right? Like don't go parallel with it. Just try to turn and try to pizza or turn both your skis.
Hey, what about you, professional?
Oh no, you guys make me look good. Shit. I was struggling too on this last run, but that was my most fun because everything else we did today was pretty small. But we went all the way up as far as we could and then freaking came all the way down. I mean, we were almost at the tree line. And just like Betty said, it started out as a
Very
blue.
tough,
So it started out really tough, but as you go, easier and easier and easier. So if you can survive the top, it was just a breeze. And we went for 40 minutes without a ski lift. That's the longest I've ever ran. And that was my favorite. So go up. My advice, 2 things. Figure out your bow ties, right? Because it's really all about this movement the whole entire time you're skiing. So just get good at that. And then once you learn how to turn, go up as far as you can and just take it slow and have fun. Because there's very few places on earth where you're gonna go and you can ski for so long, right? Because of the elevation, you can just keep skiing and keep skiing. That's why everyone loves the Rockies. So. I'm so glad we did it.
Yay!
Good job, guys.
Good job.
My bro, and my woman's here, my beautiful Betty.
Dude. All right, let's blow this popsicle scene.
Yeah, let's do it. We gotta go.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Remember to like, share,
And
and subscribe.
subscribe.
See you guys on our next video.
See ya.
Bye, guys.